Halloween candy, today is the day to stock up at Walgreens for curbside pickups. I'm gonna show you how you can snag $45 worth of Halloween candy that you can pass out. Your final cost is free and a $6 moneymaker. The best part is anyone can do this deal. We all got the same digital booster for candy that is today only. So make sure you go to your Walgreens account and clip this booster. For spend $31 on Halloween candy, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna break down the deal for you, exactly what to grab and how to make sure that you are doing it correctly to get your Walgreens cash back from that digital booster. So let's head over to my computer and dive in. And if you are new here, take a quick second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. It's completely free to subscribe, and that way you won't miss out on any easy deals that you can do each week on the products that you need to stock up on for your family. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, whether you're a new user of Rakuten or not, is start with Rakuten. Now you can do this on a computer or you can do this on your phone. So below in the description box of this video is my link. If you are a new user of Rakuten, when you spend $40 out of pocket before taxes and before shipping, but we're doing curbside pickup, so there's no shipping on this deal, you're gonna get $40 cash back plus the percent back the store offers. So you're gonna create a completely free account, then you're gonna search for Walgreens. It shows right here, you're gonna get 4% cash back. So you're gonna click Shop Now. Again, you can do this from your phone. Then it's gonna transfer you right over to the regular Walgreens website, not the Walgreens app, the Walgreens website. As you can see in the top right, it shows that the 4% was activated. So in order to get that deal, you just have to be a new user and you have to spend $40 out of pocket before taxes. So I'm gonna break down all the deals for you, all the math and everything, and how we're gonna score some candy for free and about a $6 moneymaker, which is so exciting. Okay, let's dive into a bunch of the different deals you can do for today for Halloween candy. So if you type in Halloween candy over here on the top left, it'll show you all of the different Halloween candy going on and all of the different deals. Now the huge bags are buy one, get one 40% off. For this deal, I stuck with all of the fun size and snack size bags. They are buy one, get one free. So what you're gonna do is mix and match based on whatever candies that you wanna get or whatever candies the kids in your neighborhood like. So I mix and matched. Now another thing is, some of the Reese's, Hershey's, things like that have a Walgreens store digital coupon for $1 off of 2. This is what that digital coupon looks like. So I did add in some of these into my mix. That way you can save some additional money from that digital coupon. But keep in mind, that is a store discount. So it does count against your spend total. So the digital booster that we're working with for today only is spend $31 on Halloween candy, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So it has to be $31 after the buy one, get one free, right? So $31 after the sale price and after the $1 off 2 coupon comes off of however many that you're purchasing. So we'll go over the totals in just a second, but I did want to give you a heads up on that in the beginning. Then I grabbed some of the Tootsie Pops. They also have Starburst Pops, which I thought was really cool. I'd never seen that before. And I know kids love lollipops. I think lollipops are great, so I went ahead and grabbed some of those. But again, mix and match, totally up to you. I just stuck with the ones that were all buy one, get one free. I grabbed some Hershey's. You can grab some like gummy clusters and things like that as well, but this isn't like snack size or anything. I don't think it's individual. I think that's just one big bag. So if you are buying it for the purpose of handing it out for Halloween, make sure you're just cognizant of what you're grabbing. So let's go to my cart so I can give you guys an idea of what I grabbed. Okay, so I already placed my order for pickup on my other account. So I'm showing you guys this on this account so that way I can show you the Walgreens cash earned. But on this account, I already used the $1 off 2 digital coupon for a deal I did last week or something, I believe. So that's why it's not showing and it shows there's a coupon available because I already redeemed that one. But I'm gonna still go over the math with you for what it should look like for you guys. So here's all the different things that I added. I just kept them in pairs of 2. So I did 2 Reese's, that way one will be free. So another thing that you wanna do, like I mentioned, is you wanna make sure that your total before taxes and after all of your discounts is $40 or more. That way you'll get the Rakuten $40 cash back. So we are doing free Halloween candy this year, which is amazing because candy gets so expensive, especially if you're grabbing them at Walmart. They're really expensive. So that's why I've added all of these. Now for the booster, we only need to spend $31, but spend another $9 and you're able to get $40 cash back plus the percent back that the store offers. And like I showed you, Walgreens is at 4%. So this is everything that I added to my cart. Again, it does not matter what candy you grab. You can grab whatever you want as long as it's at least $31 worth of Halloween candy. I didn't use any code or anything like that. You'll see the item total is $45.43. Then you would have about $2.50 worth of store coupons that are going to come off. That's what it did for mine for the order that I already placed for pickup. Now I recommend placing this order ASAP because they will run out of candy and then you're going to be stuck with the silly candy that nobody wants. So if you want to do this deal, I would definitely do it as soon as possible and place that order for pickup. No, you don't have to pick it up by 9 a.m., 10 a.m., but at least your order will already be placed and your order will be packed. That way you won't have to worry about them having to cancel something off or anything like that. So your total after the $2.50 for the store coupon comes off, you're going to wind up paying $46.11 out of pocket. If you want to use $5 in Walgreens cash, you can. If not, no worries. You're going to get the cash back from Rakuten anyways, so I wouldn't stress yourself out about it. So you're paying $46.11 out of pocket. Then you're getting $40 cash back from Rakuten for being a new user. You're also getting the 4% cash back. And the good thing is it's 4% of the subtotal, which is $45.43. So 4% of that is going to be another $1.82 back. Plus we're getting $10.45 in Walgreens cash back for that digital booster. Now, if you have another digital booster like spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash, make sure you clip that as well. That should stack and then you'll get another $5 in Walgreens cash back. But again, I already used that booster when I went to Walgreens in store yesterday, so that's why it's not showing here. But just note that that is an option. So if you have it, just clip every single booster that you have. That's what I do. And that way, if I use it, great. If I don't have to worry about it, but I always make sure that I clip it. So we're gonna do the deal not using that additional spend 20 booster because not every account is gonna have that, but every account should have the spend 31, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So that's gonna make your final cost after all of the cash back, all of the rewards, free and a $6.16 moneymaker, which is amazing. Now your cash cost is gonna wind up being like $4. For $45 worth of candy to hand out for Halloween, your cash cost is gonna be about $4. I would say that is an incredible deal. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions and other deals that you guys are gonna be doing online for curbside pickup. There's another booster that is tomorrow for candy, and it is spend 20, get 31% back in Walgreens cash. So I believe that would be if you spend $20, you would get about $6.20 cash back. So it's not as much, but again, for the Rakuten deal, you have to spend that $40 out of pocket anyway. So for that reason, I think this is particularly a better deal, but it's completely up to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, and I will see you next time.